How to grow money plant. Did you know the money plant is believed to attract wealth and positive energy? But most people unknowingly make 3 mistakes that stop it from growing. In this video, I'll show you how to grow a healthy money plant from scratch, whether in soil or water. With zero gardening experience, hi plant lovers. Welcome back to Plant Haven, your go-to space for gardening tips and green inspiration. Today we're talking about one of the most popular indoor plants, the money plant, also called devil's ivy or pothos. Types of money plant. First, did you know there are different varieties of money plants? The most common ones are golden pothos with yellow-green variegation, marble queen white-green leaves, neon pothos bright lime green, and jade pothos deep green, growing in water versus soil. You can grow money plant in both soil and water. Here's how to do both. Soil method. Choose a pot with drainage holes. Use well-draining potting mix with some cocoa peat or sand. Plant the cutting one, 2 inches deep. Water method. Take a healthy stem cutting with 2-3 nodes. Place it in a glass bottle filled with clean water. Keep only the nodes underwater, not the leaves. Light and placement. Money plants love bright, indirect light. Avoid direct sun, it burns the leaves. Best spots? Near a window, in your living room, or even your bathroom if there's light. Watering tips. Overwatering is the #1 killer of money plants. Only water when the top inch of soil feels dry. In winters, reduce watering. Temperature and fertilizer. Money plant grows best between 15-30 degrees Celsius, 59-86 degrees Fahrenheit. For faster growth, use a liquid fertilizer once a month during the growing season, spring-summer. Don't overdo it. Pruning and growth tips. Trim yellow leaves and leggy vines. It encourages bushier growth. You can also propagate the cuttings in water and plant them later. Benefits of money plant. Not only does it purify indoor air, but Vastu and Feng Shui believe money plant brings prosperity and reduces stress when placed in the southeast corner. Which method do you prefer, growing in water or soil? Tell me in the comments. And if you've got tips of your own, share them below. Let's help each other grow greener. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with a friend who loves plants, and don't forget to subscribe for more home gardening tips.